Yes, no man. Man, the callaloo man a pass through, come buy up the pop chow and the callaloo. Side? How good and how pleasant it is to plant something and to watch it grow. It's like a seed from a corn. You plant it and watch it and watch it grows, grows and grows and grows. Welcome back to the channel, my people. You don't know, it's all about the organic farm. That's what I'm saying. As you can see, everything has grown up here, right around inside of the farm. Seeing the farm get green and greener every day. Yeah, it is time for harvest for most of the things that plant inside here. So it's all about plant something. That's what I'm saying. So if you never watched the previous video, the first video of the organic farm, yeah, you can watch it right up here. Yeah, check it out right here. Yeah, but don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel to see the next video coming out. All right. So if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Stick and stay to the channel. You will see what's coming next. All right. Peace.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
So yes, my people, you don't know it's all about we have to plant, you know what I mean? As you can see, there's a lot of blossom inside here. Yes, a lot of blossom. Yeah, my red peas also. As you can see, all of my okras are blossoming. There's a lot of okra here. This is my favorite, you know, people. And whoa, look at this one here. Yeah, yes, my people. And my cucumbers. Yeah, my cucumbers firing a lot of, I don't know, but trust me, love to see what's going on here, man. Yes, all right. I got a harder to cut a bungle of callaloo, so yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about once you plant something, yeah, you're going to reap something. Yeah, my peanuts. I have my cocoa here. This cocoa name Left Man Cocoa. The reason why them call it Left Man Cocoa, this man and his wife, yeah, the wife could not peel the cocoa, so the husband leave her because she could not peel the cocoa. Yeah, so they call it Left Man Cocoa. As you can see right down the line, cocoa. We have to plant, my people. Yeah, my peanut fridge here looking wonderful. But also I have my cucumber and my okras bearing away. My God, and trust me, people, I never know. I never know these carrots would grow so nicely. But trust me, yeah, we soon can dig carrot, me people. Give you in Jamaican term, yeah, yeah, man. Altia, go and big up yourself, all right. Whoa, Altia, look on this now, Altia. This is my cauliflower, you know. I'm just waiting for it to put out that nice little bloom right down here, and the cauliflower start to, you know, manifesting. You know what I mean? Whoa! I have a next. I think I have two more plants here. I have a little one here, and I have a next one over there. Yes. Also the kale. One kale catch. One of my kale catch right down here. As you can see. Whoa, look at this, my people. We have to plant. My time. The time that we need. Yeah. This is my time here. You know, the cucumbers want to take over, but trust me. Beautiful. Yeah. I plant some pop chow lately. Yes, my people. I plant some pop chow lately, and trust me, there was Very small. They were very small. Look, they were very small, just like that. Oh, true word, me people. True word, me people. All right, look at that. Yeah. You see when you're inside the garden, you know, fresh things attract you, you know. So, you know, yeah. All right. I me just turn back the cucumber because when I come outside, I have a lovely pop chow here. I have some onion we just set recently. I have some callaloo here and some more pop chow inside that tray. Yeah. These are my garlic. So I'm just leaving them to grow more, you know. Yeah. Yes, my people, see there. Recently I plant these callaloo, transplant these callaloo. Yeah. My sweet potato. You guys supposed to see the video of the sweet potato plant recently. Yes, started to sprout. This is what I love. Started to sprout. Yeah. Yeah, man, started to sprout. Yeah. Started to sprout. Yeah. I plant 2 pop chow here also. Yeah, watching them growing. My cucumbers spreading away. My God, my cane. Since I come in this garden here, I dig up this cane root and plant it here, and trust me, it's going on fine. Alright, my people. The callaloo them look pretty, don't it? Yes, my people. Callaloo them pretty. Pretty like anything. Yeah? So every morning when I got up, I come and check all my callaloos. Yeah, all my vegetables, at least everything I plant inside here, I come and check it. But especially the callaloo, I check them for worms. Yeah, make sure, because this is organic, you know. I don't put any chemical on these. Yeah, you understand? So I have to come very often and check, make sure no bugs, no worms. So most of the time in the night, I get up and I come here and I check. So anything I see, anything is eating the callaloo, I'm gonna come out in the night. So that is the time when I see them, you know what I mean? So yeah, looking very good. I have a pumpkin here spreading away, and trust me, I keep watching this pumpkin because I don't want bugs to eat it also, because bugs love to eat callaloo, you know what I mean? So yeah, as you can see, it is spreading very widely. Just continue to spread my callaloo, my pumpkin. Yeah, I have 2 roots of corn here inside this sticky place here, and I'm growing very lovely. As you can see, this is where I set my Irish potato to sprout. Yeah, so soon as them sprout, yeah, I'm gonna plant them same place in that fridge. Alright. Look here, my people. Look on the chunk of this callaloo here. The chunk of this callaloo here is very huge. Whoa, this one is growing past in the Syrian mesh. My God. The Syrian mesh now is to keep the heat of the onion, thyme, and the ginger, the pop chow, and the garlic. Yeah, I have 4 lines of okra plant right here also, and as you can see, they're putting out. Yeah, this is the ashes that I throw on them, you know, to keep the bugs away. Yeah, but I have some marigold flowers to plant, so marigold flower seed to plant. Yeah, to get them off, because insect don't like the scent of the marigold. I have corn inside here taller than me. Alright, yes. So yes, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about the organic farm, looking very green and lovely. It's all about, you need to plant something. Look here, the cucumber, it's grow up on the Syrian mesh, as you can see. Yeah, this one is stretching away, so it is time for cucumber to start bearing. As you can see, there's a lot of blossom. Yeah, there's a lot of blossom for the cucumbers. Alright, so yes, my people, that me love see. Alright, this plant here now, if you notice these little holes, yeah, bugs, worms, so I have to get some hashes. I'm going to get some right about now. Going to my hashes heap to get some to throw on it. Yeah, without no further ado, I'm going to show you where I burn my fire. I always burn fire to get hashes. Alright, okay, my people. Alright, as you can see, this is where I burn my fire. There was a tree root here messing up my house, so I always burn a fire here. So each time I burn a fire, yeah, I have hashes can throw back on the plant. So I need a handful right now to throw on that okra. Yeah, so I need the best handful I can get. Alright, we're just going to, it is very easy and simple. Anywhere you see the holes, you know, bugs, worms there, so you just sprinkle. Yeah, so when them come back, they come eat them lunch or them dinner, something else strike them, you know what I mean? But most of the time them crawl from the root. Yeah, so you sprinkle it all over. Yeah, watch my peanut lying on the side. Yeah, yeah man, I don't know, it's all about the organic farm. See? Yeah, alright, time to cut a bundle of callaloo. Find the knife, give it a wash. Yeah, yeah man, I have machete and knife, every tool is inside here, cause you don't know. So right about now, yeah, I have a drum of water here. I'm going to get some water into this pan here. My fish, these are my fish. Yeah, this pan here is the water for my cats and my birds. Everyone come here. You want to see the birds them bathe inside here in the morning? Yes. Me have to talk. Me have to talk like my Trinidad friend. Yeah. Me have to go talk like my Trinidad friend when it reach here. You want to see the bird them bathe in the morning right inside here. You don't want to see them, you know, boy. Yeah. See it. All right. Going to cut a bundle of callaloo right now. Stick and stay, people. Yes, no man. Looking good, don't it? Yeah man, the callaloo man I pass through. Come buy up the pop chow and the callaloo side. Yeah man, see, I don't know what it's all about. Business. So what I say? See, it's all about plant something with people. We can plant, you know what I mean? Yeah, we can plant. Yeah, if you can't plant a seed, the bars, you see what I'm saying? You don't know me people, it's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell that you can earn a bundle of callaloo. Alright? So stick and stay family. See you guys in the next video. Alright? For watching.
Jamaican farmers.
Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.